Hi guys, welcome to another session on Django environment. In this video session, I'm giving installation part of Django. Before you are going to install Django, there are the two more prerequisites required. Number one is Python. Second one is PIP. Whenever you guys are installing Python, automatically PIP also installing. But sometimes the PIP is not activating or PIP is not setting path in the environment variables. So that time if you are going to run PIP, it doesn't support. Let me explain practically how to set the environment variable for Python, PIP and Django installation process. One by one we'll try to observe. Right, Python installation. If you want to install Python, just go to python.org, download the latest version, 3.8.1 is the latest version, right? Python.org, right? It is a python.org website. Go to downloads and Windows 3.8.1. Just click on. Within fraction of seconds, the exe file will be downloaded into your local system. Just double click on that one, install. Installation just 2 to 3 steps. Once you installed Python successfully, you guys are getting, there is a IDLE in your machine, Integrated Development Learning Environment. So it displays prompt like this. This is we are calling as triple chevron. In my system already 3.7.0 available, that is I am showing without any delay. So installation very simple, but before installation of Python, compulsory you need to scan the system. Already window definer existed, okay. Unix and Linux environment by default Python existed. Remaining other operating system level antivirus is there, is better for you, not a compulsory, better. First one, scan the system. Any malware existed in the machine, Python never installed properly. If installed also unable to respond or unable to work properly. So it is a triple chevron. It is a prompt of Python. In front of this prompt, you can type any Python related commands. If you are coming to Django classes, Python is the prerequisite. So please try to watch my Python videos for installation and path settings also. Even in this video session also you are getting a clear picture on that. Right. For example, you want to type any command, copyright. Just press enter. It displays copyright related details. For example, credits you want to display, or license information you want to see, license information. You want to maximize each and everything visible to you. So Python perfectly working, quit it and exit. Yes. Okay. Now through command prompt you want to open CMD and it is going to be command prompt Python, press enter. So here also each and everything working. Copyright you can type here also and you can check it. So whenever you are typing Python, it is giving sometimes one small error in the DOS. It is not an internal or external command. Whenever you are getting like that, follow the navigation whatever I am showing. Go to my computer, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, system variables, take the path and click on the path and here and click on the path, new edit delete available, click on edit. It displays path and all the things, just semicolon available. After semicolon, now you, after semicolon, go to IDLE, just import OS, os.getCwd, path will come. This path without single quotation copy, just copy it and paste after semicolon. Paste that and semicolon. Say okay, okay, okay. Already I did that, that is the reason perfectly working. So number of times okay you can say. Now I am clicking on cancel because it doesn't require for me. Now I deleted that For example, any variable you deleted that, see, you can say cancel, don't say okay, cancel. And now I'm going to command prompt and exit. Again Python you can say. Sometimes py also take it. It is a by default available with that. So okay, no issue. In the 3.x onwards, py also the name of the interpreter in Python. So this total process is called Python installation, Python path settings. Next step we'll go to pip. What is pip? Python installed packages. You want to install any kind of packages related to Python, you can go with the pip and you can try to install that. You want to install any Python packages, go with the pip command. If already installed pip, if you type like this, automatically you are getting all the details. If you are getting all the details, pip perfectly working. If not, follow the navigation what I am showing. So go to again your ideally, go there, imported os dot get cwd, then you are getting path, copy the path without single quotation. Once copied that, go to run command, run it, and you are getting in this navigation, means in this path you are having scripts folder, double click. Once double click, if pip available like this, you no need to install anything. By default available once Python you installed. If not, go to google.com, just type inside Google get -pip.py download. Once you clicked on that one, just you can click the first link. Automatically the related exe file will be downloaded in your machine. Pip installation. Or you want to directly download that, you can get -pip.py directly downloaded. Once downloaded that file, right, I saved already that file on my desktop. Go to command prompt cls cd desktop and you can say python get -pip, press enter. Automatically the installation process started. Within 5 to 10 seconds, the installation process will be completed. After that, if you type pip command, automatically it shows the details. If not, go to environment variables, whatever the path I shown to you, you can set like that, it will be set right. Last but not least, which we are waiting for, Django installation. Right, Django installation purpose, very simple. Exit and come to first djangoproject.com. djangoproject.com. Once you are entering into djangoproject.com, there is a right side and you are having download latest version. You can click on download, otherwise go to command prompt and command available here, just click on that download. Once click on the download, see left side it is showing very clearly. So simply that command you want to type pip install Django. If you press return key, latest version installed automatically. So pip install Django, you can provide the version whichever you want. I want 2.2.7. You don't want, means current version will be downloaded. So whenever you are mentioning version, that version will be installed. If you are not, current version will be installed successfully in your machine. Once Django installed successfully, installed or not, you want to check Django-admin enter. It shows the list of files like this. It is showing Django successfully installed in your machine. Follow these instructions for installation of Python, pip and Django. Thank you for watching my videos. For more video sessions, subscribe NareshIT channel.